Now continue with our COVID-19 pandemic coverage, bringing you facts, not fear. The Hamilton County Health Department updated their numbers for coronavirus cases and testing this past weekend, and Mayor Andy Burke presented his blueprint to slowly reopen the scenic city following the governor's directive. But we begin with news on one of the latest cases tied to an inmate. Our Jake Chapman joins us with more. Jake.
Well, Greg, we've learned that patient is a federal inmate from the Bledsoe County Correctional Facility, which had hundreds of inmates test positive for the virus. The Hamilton County Sheriff's Office stated that that inmate showed to their jail with no symptoms, and they're taking immediate action with this case.
The federal inmate is quarantined for the next 14 days. In a statement, the sheriff's office says 25 workers and inmates at the downtown jail have been tested. All results came back negative, and they'll be quarantined as a safety precaution.
You've seen a rise in cases throughout the state over the last couple of days. There was an outbreak just a few days ago in Bledsoe County in the prison. That's certainly concerning to anybody in Southeast Tennessee, as we are one region.
Chattanooga Mayor Andy Burke announced parks, trails, public spaces, and dog grooming salons will be allowed to open on Friday. Though he says there has been a disconnect between state and local government, he says he wants to make sure the public's health is a top priority.
I want to make sure people understand that our first priority is not about what was said last week, but about how we can ensure that Chattanoogans and Tennesseans are safe.
The health department stated more than 1,300 people were tested at the Riverfront Parkway facility over the weekend. The department also announced 7 new cases in Hamilton County, with 4 coming from the drive-through testing, bringing the total to 149. Health officials hope to continue the increase in testing throughout the county.
From the start, our additional testing has always been to find cases. We want to find every case that we have in our community, do a contact investigation, isolate and quarantine. That's how we control the virus.
Barnes stated that they've already gotten the results for half of those tests they've conducted over the weekend, and we're expected to get all of those results within the next few days. In Chattanooga, Jake Chapman, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.